Domestic violence cases are some of the hardest cases as a firm that we get. And the reason for that is a lot of times these cases arise in the most heat of the moments. Passionate moments, people get a little bit upset, they have a rough day. Husband gets home from work, wife's had a long day at work, wife's had a long day watching the kids, wife comes home from work. So many scenarios we walk into where just the world happens and unfortunate events occur. And one of the number one questions that we get at the law firm, when it comes to domestic violence cases, is, "Hey, the complaining witness no longer wants to cooperate. She doesn't want to press charges. She doesn't want to press charges." Unfortunately, by the time they're talking to us, that train's left the station. That train left the station the second she made or he made that first phone call to the police. Now, why is that? Well, because when the police are called to investigate a domestic issue, they have to write a report. Once they write that report, they put that report on the prosecutor's desk. At that point, the prosecuting attorney in the state of Indiana is the only entity that can bring charges against somebody. Once that report's made, once that call to the police is made, the train of they no longer want to proceed or press charges left the station. That's a different state, different universe. Now, that doesn't mean that the case is over and there's no hope. There's a lot of ways. In fact, it's good if the complaining witness is on our side. It's very good. But there's ways then at that point that we would need to go about it in order to help put you in the best situation. So if you find yourself or anyone you know in the unfortunate event of a domestic charge, give us a call. A lot of them are fact sensitive. There's generally speaking not a police witness. They're tough cases for the state to prove, even if the complaining witness doesn't want to cooperate. Give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.